Good morning class, I am Premlata, I study social science. Today we will discuss 9th class NCERT Eco chapter 2nd People as a Resource. So in first video we have discussed the overview of the chapter, the story of Sakal and Vilas. Now we will discuss the second topic, economic activities by men and women. So in this topic we will discuss there are lot of differences to do the work. For example, most of the household tasks are done by the women and outsider work are done by the men. In the story of Sakal and Vilas, we also know that the Sakal's father was doing the outside work like that, selling the product in the market, doing the farming activities, and his mother was doing work as a domestic chores. So, firstly we will know the means of economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are done to get something, maybe in form of money, in grain or in other objects. So, we can define all types of economic activities into three categories: primary, secondary, tertiary. So, all these activities are based on the raw material and other functions. Firstly, we will discuss the primary activities. This activity is related to primary sector. In such kind of activities, we are getting product direct from the nature. For example, farming, animal husbandry, dairy farming, mining. These are the example of primary activities. Secondary. Secondary sector is known as industrial sector also. In secondary activities, we are using the raw material, the product of the primary sector as a raw material and make that product more valuable than before with the help of skills, with the help of machines. So in secondary sector, we are modifying the product of primary activities. For example, baking of biscuits from wheat. Wheat is the production of primary activity and biscuit is the production of secondary activity. Third one is tertiary activity. In tertiary activity, there is no production. This sector provided services only. For example, means of communication, means of transports, banking. These are the example of tertiary activities. Second one, market and non-market activities. Market activities are those activities which can be done for paying or loss. Non-market activities are those activities which are done for family consumptions. For example, a teacher is teaching in school. This is the example of market activities. If a teacher is teaching his or her own child at home, this is the example of non-market activity. Now look at the page number 19. What have been seen in this picture? All will look at the book and identify this. In the upper part, farming activity is done with the help of tractors. So this is the example of primary activity. Second one is, so many industries are there. So this is the example of secondary activity, secondary sector. In third one is, in the below part of the picture, means of transport and other equipments are looking which are supporting us, not producing anything. So these are the examples of primary, secondary and tertiary activities. Now you will prepare a list of economic activities on your communities and you will write 5 activities for each sector. This is your today's work. With the help of this picture, you will find out these answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.